Hey guys, this is Deeksha and this is my second video as I've said. Today I'll be talking about some methods and tips to begin our zero waste journey, and it might be a bit long, but please adjust and watch the whole video because it's kind of important. So before starting, I would like to tell a motivational story about a girl named Lauren Singer. She's actually a zero waste follower, and the interesting part is that she's only accumulated a jar full of waste from 2 years, like this big jar from 2 years. So that's kind of impressing. So she has found out that her waste mainly contains wet waste and packaging waste and even vegetable packaging. So wet waste she composted. The packaging she tried to she tried to reduce her packaging, and for the third one, which is food packaging, she started buying in bulk, or she bought from the local farmer market where we get it without packaging. So please do listen to such interesting TED talks in YouTube, Google, etc. They really motivate you to start our zero waste journey. So whatever I say today, might not be um, not everyone can do everything, so just listen carefully and write down a few methods you can do to save our environment. So the first thing is to follow the 5 R's of waste management, which is basically reduce what you do need, refuse what you don't need, reuse what you can, and recycle what you can't refuse, reduce, or reuse, and rot the rest, okay, which is basically making it compost. So secondly, I would say to switch from a plastic toothbrush to a bamboo toothbrush. A bamboo toothbrush can be a little costly, but it's really worth. It can be used for 3 months, and the interesting fact is that it can be composted in our own composting pits, and it takes only 4 to 6 months. When a plastic toothbrush literally takes 400 years to get decomposed in the soil. So for the third one, it's to start making our own things, like whatever it is. To reduce the plastic amount, we can make our own dishwashers, maybe shampoos, hand wash, etc., and even your toothpaste. It's actually very easy. So all that, it increases our creativity. We can also make like fun kind of DIYs, and at the same time we reduce a lot of plastic amount. And for the containers for doing all these DIYs, we can use till now the plastic, like the shampoo bottles, etc., which we have collected. We can use them as our containers instead of buying new from the market. Okay, so the next one will be to carry our own cutlery. This is something really basic, like whenever you go to some food place, instead of taking the plastic spoons and forks which they provide us with, we can carry our own steel or wooden cutlery, which consists of a spoon, fork, and maybe a knife if you do want it. And you can carry it wherever you go. It's just 3 items in your bag. So nextly, you can also buy, so instead of buying cheap quality ones which look cute but do not last longer, we can buy good quality items which do last longer, and prevents us from creating more waste in the landfills. So it might be a little costly, but it will last longer, so it might save money also. So nextly, we can borrow books from the library, or we can read from the internet provides us with lots of books and everything. But if you think it strains your eyes and etc., your parents don't allow you to read from internet, etc., you can go to your nearby library and and ask them to lend you books. They'll ask you for a bit of money, but you can return them after some time. So nextly, um see, we have our classworks, and every year after we use our classwork, there are that few pages which just go empty, and we just throw them away. So instead of throwing them away, we can just take that last few pages and maybe staple them all, and you can make a new notebook. So this is one way to reduce the cutting of trees to make paper. Okay. So nextly, use what you already have instead of buying new. Okay, so like all the stationery, even when I was small, I used to buy lots of pouches and um, all those cute little stuffs, erasers, etc. Whenever I used to have exams or it was a new academic year, etc. But actually now I have a lot of small halfly used erasers, etc. falling in my house. So please do complete the ones which you've started using before you buy something new. Next thing is to try buying second hand things, like all our books. We have something called as old bookstores, so we can buy from there. And mobile phones and all the gadgets, you can always do online shopping. They give you second hand ones and also new ones as usual, and even many others which you can buy which are already used. And if you're going to use it only once in your life and you have to buy it, I think it's not necessary. You can just borrow from your friend for once and give it back to her. That would be a good way to reduce our waste. So the final one, the 10th tip, is to plant trees. So I've said many things to switch to a bamboo toothbrush and bring your own wood or steel cutlery, etc. So all this wood should come from trees. So our main source is trees here. So I think we should plant a lot of trees in our environment, around our surroundings and etc. So talking about trees, I would like to talk about an app called as Ecosia, which is spelled as ECOSIA. So it is basically a search engine like Google, which is based in Berlin. Okay, so what does it do? It uses 80% or more of its profits to give it to the non-profitable organizations which work on reforestation. So it is like really motivational to hear about this story. So and it is based in Berlin. So what it does is for every 45 searches we do, it plants a tree. Okay, in the places trees are really necessary. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's all I have. And one more thing, I would like to thank all the others whom I've shared my first video with. They've given me such sweet response, which has motivated me a lot. So thanks to all of you, and thank you. And one more thing, I would like to show you my compost bin which I've prepared the last time. So this is the compost which I have made. Like there are a lot of twigs and everything which have not yet composted, but I guess it's fine, you can use it like this. So I think it has taken 1 month for me. I started like July 12th, something like that, and now it's August 15th, something like that. So yeah.